Alright guys, so I took this long here. It's about to open, or it's actually just open right now. I took a long there because it was cutting through my trend line on 1 minute. Alright, so that's the first negative, guys. So where I went in was here. I guess I tried to anticipate it too much. But alright, let's move on to the second account. Alright guys, so I took another long here. It already cut through my trend line. It looks like it's retesting this area here. Looks like it's retesting here. But we're gonna have to see how the volume closure is. It's really volatile today. I don't know if my 15 points of stop loss are gonna hold, but it's set out to be a really volatile day today, guys. This 600 ticks. This is our EMA of 8 and 20, and this red one is 200 EMA. So we only need 15 points for us to put us break even here, because that's how I have my ATM set up too. And this first profit target is 20 points. This one is 30. As you can see, guys, I went in right there when it was touching the EMA. So hopefully that's what it's doing here, touching the EMA, and then go back up here. Do this. Maybe it's gonna do it like this though. I do this, break this part. That's what I'm thinking, but if it comes down here, it could probably just come take me out. And then do this. I don't know. This is how it looks in 1 minute. How it cut through my trend line here. Then it came to retest. Now it's a pretty good amount of way from the VWAP. As you can see, it's very likely for it to come and touch my break even, but it's not more likely for it to touch my break even. All right, so that's the second trade, guys. We're gonna move on to the third account. So I just wanted to show you guys volatility today. This is the second trade I took. I just showed you guys, but just like how I said, it was gonna come take me out by almost nothing and keep its way up. but it's fine. I don't take it personal. This can also be the 2 touches here that we look for. So it could be doing this. First touch, second touch. So we might be taking a short there, guys. But I don't know. It's too close to the VWAP, so I don't know. Alright, so I took a short here. The volume here is showing me a bearish move. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. But we'll see. So I was hoping there was room here, but I'm not sure. So that's how it's looking in 1 minute. Really volatile today. So as you can see, it would have never gave me my profit here. Stay stuck right here. Alright guys, so that's probably a loss. There it's showing on 1 minute very bullish trend. It doesn't look like it's gonna come down and break it anytime soon. Well, there's a rejection candle here that it left. So that's a good sign. So this is how that looks. This trend line that I was talking to you guys about. Hopefully it wants to break it. We got 3 seconds for closure. So we're back positive, guys, a little bit. You can see this can also bounce back here off of this 200 EMA. That's what's basically keeping me from getting my profit, or at least break even. Just playing with us. This is how it looks in 1 minute. So that's how it's looking in 1 minute. I would at least like it to put me break even. But see, it's already touching the VWAP there, so that's why it might bounce all the way back up. But I'm willing to take the risk. See, hopefully it's just touching our EMA there, but if you look at it here, 1 minute is doing this big rejection candle. We've been holding this one on for a while, guys. Since 6:45, it's already 6:54, about 10 minutes. It felt a little longer. It always feels like longer when you're trading. I would at least like it to put me break even. All right, so if we get the profit or not, at least we're not losing anymore. So that's why I set up my ATM that way, for situations like this when it's too volatile and either I don't have the clarity in my head to decide when to put my stop loss up, so I just let the ATM do it for me. It's one less thing that I have to worry about. Alright guys, so that was it for today. It was a difficult day, I think. See how it's been fooling everyone for since midnight. See, we had all this. I was lucky to catch those two last positives here, but it was almost like a no trade zone. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.